Hello there. So today I'll be telling you about Monoportal and how it helps you get more control over your shared financial data as an individual user. Monoportal is a consumer privacy tool we built to enable end users to view and manage the financial data they've shared with their favorite apps and services using Mono. With Monoportal, you can view which apps you've connected your account to, see the kind of data you shared with them, and securely manage your connections to these apps as well. At Mono, we place a high value on security of your data, so we built Monoportal to ensure that you can control access to your financial data with services you have shared it with using Mono. It is very important to us that you can make secure connections to the services you use, that you are confident in how your financial data is accessed, which apps or businesses can access your data, the safety of that data, and have full control as well. Like all Mono products, Portal is built with bank-grade encryption to keep your banking details safe. We will never share your financial data with any business or third party except if you have consented to it. Now that you have a good understanding of what Monoportal is, we'll dive into how Monoportal works. Creating a Monoportal account is free, and I'll show you how to get started in no time, so keep watching. To sign up, go to the link portal.mono.co/signup. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number and the last 6 digits of your BVN. When you're done, click the Get Started button to continue. Also keep in mind that if you click on Get Started, you agree to Mono's end user's privacy policy, so it's too short to read it before you continue. Next, you'll be asked to verify your email address. To do this, enter the verification code sent to your email. If you don't have access to that email, not to worry. You can click the option signifying that you don't and follow the instructions stated. After you've entered the verification code, click the verify button to proceed. Finally, you'll be asked to set a password that you can use to access your Monoportal account anytime. After you have chosen a password, click on set password to continue. A welcome modal will pop up showing that your account setup is complete and you can now start using Monoportal. When you navigate to the right side of the screen, you'll see all the apps you've linked your account to using Mono. Also, clicking on each app will display which accounts are connected to a particular business. You can then click on the toggle for each connected account to disconnect access to that business, or click the disconnect all button to remove access to all your connected accounts. One more thing to keep in mind is that businesses require a connection to your financial account to continue providing you with the services you need. This means that once you disconnect your account from a business, you stop sharing your data with them and can no longer access personalized services from the business. We have also linked some helpful resources on Monoportal in the description box, so you can learn more about it. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at support@mono.co. We'll be happy to answer you there. Thank you for watching.